All right, Ryobi lawnmower is here. Did the kit, 20-inch, 18-volt. Came with 2 batteries, 2 chargers, little bag, self-propelled. So we're giving it a shot today. All right, so this is what the yard looks like before. All right, so as I said, giving it a shot today. Ryobi, self-propelled, 20-inch, 2 batteries, 2 battery chargers. I'm already out here working with it. Here's what it looks like. A little dirty now. All right, nice big boy, 20-inch. Right, so this grass we're gonna cut. I'll put some more clips in here of that. A little dust, but lift it up right here. Nice little handle. Got your 2 6AH, I'm sorry, batteries. They didn't come charged. I didn't put the bag on. Don't really care for a bag. Then it's okay. I let it charge for like 2 hours, I think, and we rolling. If you use the self-propelled feature, it does have some settings up here that you can change it from minimum to max, fast to slow. I'm not using the self-propelled feature right now because it kills more battery. If you wanted to use it, go for it. I like it. It is a good feature. I just don't need it. It's not that hard to push. It's kind of lightweight. Yeah, so like I said, I'll throw some clips in showing off some of the grass before and then after. Here we go. Forgot to throw this in. Easy little lever. So you can change it from, I'm literally doing this with one hand, can move it from the lowest level to the highest level. So far so good. I'm a A+ on this machine. As y'all know, I'm biased. I love a Ryobi product. Already kind of cut over here. So bag would go here. Let's get it. All right, so this is rolling with no self-propelled. I'm just pushing, just basic weight. This is with self-propelled. So I take off on its own, I'm barely touching it, right? So I speed it up right here, and I hit the start button, turn it on, it automatically taking off already, right? Before the engine even turn on. All right, so let's do that again. Got the engine rolling, self-propelled, it's just pulling. So I turn that off, just let this nozzle go right here, because like I said, it'll kill some of the battery. So, all right, one thing I like also is it can get you close to the wall. So watch this. If I turn in here and just line up in there, I don't have to like break nothing or constantly get stuck because of how wide it is. It's gonna get close enough, right? And then you can still trim it up with your weed eater, whatever you want to do. So. All right, so overall, I'm pretty pleased. I'm probably not gonna record the rest of this video because I don't know if I'm gonna finish cutting today. But batteries are seemingly dead. I'm starting it and it's not going, so I'm assuming the batteries are dead. I checked them, they had like one left. Pretty easy, blade start instructions. It's been working for me to hold start first. Like I said, I'm not really using the self-propel feature. I do like that it has this little flap on the back, so it doesn't like throw grass everywhere, which I'm pretty pleased with the cut. I don't mind a little bit of leftover grass and stuff. And then plus once I put some weed and seed type stuff down, it'll do well. Has this little key in it, so don't lose this little key. Won't start without it. Just an in and out kind of thing. Let's see, the 2 batteries, like I said, they do have a little gauge on them. Press this little button. See, it's got one light, so it should be running. I don't know. But it's hot today. And I don't know if that has anything to do with the, you know, the kind of easily finished early type situation. But that's what it is. So hot as all get out. I'm going to try to get a little bit more done. But I'm a plus on this one. So Ryobi came to save the day, as usual. Thanks. All right, so wrapping up this that I would say I would have preferred, it's a lot dirty now because of the thing, I would have preferred some type of indicator light to how much battery you have left, either up here somewhere or down here. And then, you know, on the other ones I could just press my finger in there. It's kind of hard to jam your finger in. You have to take it all the way off to press that button to check the battery. Yeah, so overall, old yard done with one charge. Definitely, even after I charge it from like the initial charge thing, still had to put some more juice in it. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with the cut. So good job, Ryobi. You win again. Another solid feature, you can fold it up when you're done, lock the wheels, and then stand it up. And I'm gonna blow all that off, and then you can store it like right up against your wall or whatever. So, yep, Ryobi.